Live or Die is a family melodrama that shook the audiences with its raw and emotional storytelling. Written by Moon Young Nam, it portrays the heartbreaking struggles of an eldest sibling who sacrifices his entire life for his younger brothers and sisters only to be met with betrayal, selfishness, and neglect. It's not a light K drama with romance or comedy, but it's heavy, emotional, and it makes the viewers reflect on the family bonds, responsibility, and human flaws. Lee Pong Sang is the eldest son of a poor family. After being abandoned by his parents, he takes on the role of both mother and father to his four younger siblings. He gives up his own dreams and happiness to raise them, works endlessly to pay for their education, food, survival, marries without love because he cannot afford to choose differently. Never complains, but his siblings grew up selfish, entitled, and ungrateful. As adults, his siblings brings him nothing but pain. Li Jing, elder brother, lazy, irresponsible, always in trouble. Li Jung Sang, older sister, a doctor but cold and distant, ashamed of her own family. Li Hua Sang, younger sister, rebellious, bitter, blames Poong Sang for her miseries. Li Wei Sang, youngest brother, lost in life, constantly making mistakes. Despite their ingratitude, Pong Sang keeps helping them, however, his health starts to fail, and ironically, the siblings who received everything from him hesitate to sacrifice even a little for him. This sets up the central conflict. The man who lived for his family faces death alone. Early episodes show him running around to clean up his siblings' mess, paying off Jin Sang's debts, covering up V Sang's mistakes, and begging others for help. It sets the tone. His life is endless sacrifice. When Poong Sang is told he has a serious liver condition, his quiet endurance cracks. The weight of carrying everyone finally shows in his tears. The viewers feel his loneliness deeply. Instead of supporting him, his brothers and sisters argue over who should take the responsibility. Some even avoid him, exposing their true selfishness. As a doctor, Jung Sang is supposed to heal, but she hesitates when it comes to her brother, torn between pride and guilt. Her breakdown scenes are some of the most emotional in the show. When Poong Sang's condition worsens, the family must decide who, if anyone, will step up for a liver transplant. The tense episodes has viewers furious, crying, and reflecting on the human nature. Towards the end, Pung Sangs delivers a heart wrenching message to his siblings. He never lived for himself, only for them, and all he wanted was their happiness. His words hit hard, leaving both the family and the audience in tears. Live or Die is raw, realistic, and heartbreaking. It does not sugarcoat the family life, but it shows the ugly truth. Selfish siblings, emotional neglect, financial struggles, and how the one who gives the most often receives the least. Outstanding acting, powerful writing, emotional impact. But heavy, depressing at times, some viewers felt frustrated by the endless selfishness of the siblings. Still, it leaves a lasting message. Don't wait until it's too late to appreciate the one who always stood by you.